Hey guys, in this week's PJ Trailer safety video, we'll go over a few maintenance tips that will help prepare your trailer for spring and summer use. When bringing your trailer out of extended storage, it is important to thoroughly check each component of your trailer. First, take a look at the tires. Be sure that they are properly inflated and that no cracks or splits have formed. Check both the tread and the tire wall. Your tires will most likely need air, so inflate to the correct PSI and check for leaks. Don't forget to inspect the wheels for compromising cracks or dents. Take a look at the axles and be sure that nothing is compromised, corroded, or out of place. Remember that your dealer can help you with axle maintenance if needed. If you have removed your battery for storage, test the charge level and reconnect it. If your trailer is equipped with an integrated tester, simply press the button to check the levels. Once your battery is properly charged and reconnected, test the trailer's lights. Be sure that each light performs its correct function. Replace any non-functioning bulbs. Next, check the coupler. Inspect it for any abnormalities or cracks. Be sure that the latch functions properly and that there is nothing inside the ball socket that could prevent proper connection. Be sure to test your trailer's breakaway switch and brake system. Pull the pin and be sure that the brakes activate. If the pin does not disengage with only slight force, repair or replace the breakaway system. If your vehicle is equipped with a trailer brake control, test and properly set the gain. Take a look at the jack. Be sure that everything functions and is properly greased. For hydraulic jacks, be sure that the pump and lines are free of leaks, cracks, or damage. No matter the level of treatment or protection, wood is prone to rot and decay. Inspect your deck closely and be sure that all boards are intact, secure, and can support the weight required. Once the trailer's critical components are inspected, check the rest of the trailer. Look at any pivot points, hinges, ramps, springs, or D-rings. Be sure that none of these items are damaged or need replacing. Lastly, thoroughly clean your trailer with a high-pressure wash. This removes anything that could be in the nooks and crannies of your trailer. If you have a question about the maintenance of a custom component that is not covered in this video, consult your user manual or reach out to your local PJ dealer. Stay tuned for future videos on safety and maintenance, and as always, stay safe out there. Thanks guys.